What is going on, guys? So it's been about a week since we did the install on Bryan's Hardbody with the eBay quick release and the eBay hub. And I know initially I said I had my doubts about the quick release. Turns out it was the other way around. The quick release actually works fine. The hub is the one that it's like the size of it is a little too big, even though it's supposed to be the right size for it. So it's iffy. We tightened it quite a bit, and it still kind of what's it doing? Was it kind of slipping?
Yeah, it'll kind of shift over, like it'll feel like it's making the nut strip.
Yeah. So that's not going to be right on the long run. So anyway, so Bryan decided to just go ahead and buy the NRG quick release and the NRG hub for it, and that's what we're going to replace right now. We're going to return those. Thankfully, eBay actually accepted a return. We told them that it wasn't working and that we had to modify this thing a little bit, and then they sent us labels so we can send it out. So that was pretty nice of them. So we ended up, anyways, he ended up going with the NRG ones, and that's the ones we're going to install right now.
To this.
Oof.
That's kind of rough, dude.
Nah, the nut is fine. It was stripping this one.
Okay.
Thank God, dude. So that got a little bit stripped, but this one looks like it was good.
You got like a napkin tissues that were looking out.
Just so you can see the difference between the cheap one and the new one. This is all nicely packaged. Bryan said he was sold when he found the sticker in it.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Got the sticker in there. So this one looks a lot better. Hopefully it'll fit a lot better than that one. I still like the look of that hub. It just sucks that it doesn't work correctly in there, because this part was basically too loose and it was just spinning around. So we're gonna install this one, and hopefully we'll solve that issue. All right, so with the new one, this is why I like this one's too, because it comes exactly built for it. The other one didn't even have that, at least I don't remember it.
Yeah, shit.
That's that one, dude.
You should
No fucking play at all,
no,
dude. That's how it's supposed to be.
It works a lot better. You might gonna have to bleep that out. Yeah, that's a lot better, dude.
So no play at all. That's the problem we have with this one. As soon as we put it in, it was kind of like slack back and forth. That one is good to go. So we need to tighten this one down, and then we'll put the quick release, the bottom section of it, on it.
I gotta put the steering wheel back on that one, huh?
Yeah, that'll probably be the best way to do it.
Like like you said, I really like the chrome, dude, on the silver finish on it. But
Hell no, dude, you don't want to keep turning, like, cause if it was already shaving that much, dude, imagine you're fucking driving, making a turn, and just
oh Lord,
Jesus, take the wheel.
For real, dude.
And that's dangerous, so you don't want to do that. This time it didn't. I still think the quick release, it was $20. It actually did what it's supposed to do. So if you don't want to spend the money on the NRG like quick release, which is also like $80 to $100 depending on which one you get, you can get this one, which is like $20.
And it worked perfect.
It worked fine. We only had to modify the back of it a little bit. We had to like shave up just a little bit because the holes weren't lining up fully right, but it was doing its job and it was working fine. So that's, you can save a couple bucks there. The hub is the one that for sure it didn't work out, so we ended up going with the NRG one. Here we have the quick release, the new quick release. It should still make everything look nice because we have the chrome with it, and so it should match Bryan's steering wheel pretty good. The way Houston's right now trying to time the hub. We need to put the steering wheel a little bit just so we can have something to hold it. Then we'll tighten the nut on the middle, Then we'll attach the quick steering, the quick release into it. God damn, that steering wheel system's gonna be worth more than the truck now.
The stereo system?
I'm just
Oh, yeah.
playing. The
Oh.
steering.
Oh, pretty much, dude. It's almost worth more than the truck. NRG don't play around, huh?
And this is not wobbling all over the place now. That's how it looks now. It's not too bad. A little less chrome, but
It's okay.
still good.
We don't want too much chrome now, dude.
Now he doesn't have to worry about, you know, turning the wheel one time and then suddenly all strips. And you gotta be like, Jesus, take the wheel.
And bye-bye, Bryan.
The button's a little crooked, but it'll be alright. I'm just gonna send the old one back because it didn't work out. Which is a shame because it looks really solid. Like, it looks good. It's just not the right size in the center. But, oh well. Now he's good. Now we shouldn't have to do this again. Hopefully. Ever. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.